Sharkey makes some of the best hearing aids on the market, but there is one thing I bet you don't know about them. Sharkey Hearing Aid Technologies is the only major American hearing aid manufacturer. Their headquarters is in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, and they've been manufacturing hearing aids since the 1970s. Ask any hearing care professional about Sharkey Hearing Aids, and every single one of them will tell you that they make some of the best custom hearing aids on the market. Back in the 1980s, they pioneered the use of a custom in-the-canal hearing aid. Sharkey was also one of the first two hearing aid brands to make made-for-iPhone hearing aids that could connect directly with an iPhone and stream audio into both of your Sharkey hearing aids. And back in 2020, they were the first hearing aid brand to bring to market a custom rechargeable hearing aid. They're also very well known for blurring the lines between hearing aid and health device. By including motion sensors inside of their hearing aids could perform something called fall detection. So if the hearing aid sensed that you had fallen, the app would actually send an alert to someone that you set up inside of your contact list so they could try to reach out to you and see if you actually need help. And on top of that, since individuals with hearing loss are at a much higher risk of falling, their hearing aids now have something called the STEADY protocol that they can administer to identify if there's any weaknesses in your balance. And if there is, then you can do therapies to help improve your balance. The My Sharkey app is one of the best hearing aid apps out there as well. It has a ton of great features, and on top of just being able to change programs and change volume levels, you can use the My Sharkey app to actually translate different languages into your hearing aids. You can use the transcription feature where you can read what someone is telling you, and it has a self-check feature to identify if any one of the components of your hearing aids are malfunctioning. Sharkey has also been using artificial intelligence inside of their hearing aids for years, but more recently they developed a deep neural network that is running inside of their new devices. This type of sound processing using artificial intelligence allows a Sharkey hearing aid to perform really well in background noise. When using Sharkey's Edge Mode Plus feature that you can activate with double tapping your hearing aid or activating inside of the app, you get up to a 13 decibel signal to noise ratio improvement, which is massive. Let me go ahead and just play you a quick sound sample of what that actually sounds like.
Range anxiety with Rechargeable. Our goal at Starkey was to remove the fear from hearing aid users that they'll miss out on one of life's most important moments due to running out of battery life in their hearing aids.
As impressive as that is, if you want to get the full amount of benefit out of a Sharkey hearing aid, you have to make sure that you go to a hearing care professional who follows comprehensive audiologic best practices, including real ear measurement. And the easiest way to find one of these hearing care professionals is to go to my website, hearingup.com, and finding a Hearing Up Network member in your area. All Hearing Up members have been vetted and are committed to following comprehensive audiologic best practices to ensure that you can hear your absolute best no matter what hearing aids you use. So if you want to make sure that you get the most out of your hearing aids, going to a Hearing Up Network member in your area is your best bet. Sharkey hearing aids are now also equipped with Bluetooth LE audio for better streaming sound quality, lower battery drain, and better stability of connection. This also enables a feature called Auracast Broadcast Audio that allows you to tap into the audio stream of a public venue and have that sound go directly into your Sharkey hearing aids. We're talking about public venues like churches, museums, sports bars, or even Broadway shows, to name a few. All right, let's go ahead and talk about Sharkey hearing aid batteries. Sharkey still offers rechargeable battery technology and disposable battery technology. Clearly, most hearing aid manufacturers and individuals who want hearing aids are going in the rechargeable battery direction, but there's still a lot of people out there who do like disposable battery hearing aids. Now, as far as the rechargeable battery technology goes, I don't think it gets any better with any of the other manufacturers out there. With a Sharkey hearing aid, you can get up to 51 hours of battery life on a single charge, which means you can wear their hearing aids for 2 days at a time without having to pop them back in the charger for some of their hearing aids. And when you do have to recharge them, it only takes a few hours to go from 0% battery life up to 100% battery life. They also have premium charger options for the receiver in canal and custom hearing aid technologies, so you can unplug the charger. It will store charges inside of it so you can charge your hearing aids on the go. If you're someone with a severe to profound level of hearing loss, Sharkey hearing aids are great, primarily because of their custom product capabilities. So not just in-the-ear products, I'm also talking about their absolute power receiver in canal embedded ear molds. This allows you to get the most amount of gain and output from one of their hearing aids to hit your prescriptive targets if you have really bad prescriptive targets. But now that you're aware of virtually all of the different features that you can find inside of a Sharkey hearing aid, what do you still not know about them? Well, I'm gonna tell you, but before I do me a huge favor and click the like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on, go ahead and do that as well. It is greatly appreciated. And let me know what you think about Sharkey Hearing Aids down in the description. Okay, so the one thing that you probably did not know about Sharkey Hearing Aids is that there is no Sharkey Hearing Aid brand. The brand name is actually Starkey. Yeah, I know. There's actually a lot of people out there who think the Starkey Hearing Aid brand is actually called Sharkey. And the only reason why I'm making this video is for the individuals out there who are typing in Sharkey Hearing Aids and expecting to get some search results but come up with nothing. And if you happen to be one of those individuals, now you know. When you're doing research on hearing aids, you don't want to look for Sharkey, you want to look for Starkey. You're welcome.